I'm here to strangle her. Jace must not know who her mother is. Since you couldn't kill her yourself, I'm here to get the job done. I'm in this neighborhood now just because you couldn't do your work.
We are brother and sister.
Yeah, we are brother and sister, but we've done this for 15 years. Do you have regrets?
Hey, right
false prophet.
If it is true that Jace is going about to look for her mother, then we all have a big problem. Because this is going to cause problem for everybody.
Let me show you why they call me the real mad dog.
Like how?
Don't worry, go and be living your normal life.
The miracle and $10,000 she kept shouting are clues.
I've never known a mother's love. What's that love like? My life is about to turn upside down.
Get me information from people, then let me use that to make prophecy.
Are you the only one that know how to make prophet preach? As in the street, you also in the street. Get quiet!
What do you need a mother for? Where was your mother when I picked you up on the street?
You stupid sister of mine.
One thing is certain right now, I am here to clean up your mess. I'm here to get rid of the mother. You know I'm a prophet. I'm not supposed to be doing this. I'm not supposed to be the one doing the dirty jobs. Meet me at the warehouse. First, I must let you know that this is not blood. So how did I make this? This says pap, ogi, and food coloring, all right? But what is this about? You can see that you just watched the trailer. And in the trailer of the movie we just made, you could see me doing some weird things because we are trying to reveal the tricks of the Antichrist. It is sad now that some people who are false prophets, there are true prophets, but some people who are false prophets are taking advantage of people. So we decided to create a revelation that can make people know how to identify false prophets. If you don't know where their powers are coming from, don't ask for miracle. It is better you chase the helper, which is God, through Christ, than to be chasing the help you need. Because some of these false prophets are taking advantage of people who they consider gullible. And they use this means to do evil. Now, this movie is not your regular Christian movie, like our regular Christian movie. This is a deep revelation. We went the extra mile. We were warned not to do this movie, but we decided to go all out because if this is what doing is worth doing well, then we went all out. So many people told us that they will come for us. That is why I'm saying, you Christians, you need to start praying for us because what we did in this movie, Dark Minister, you need to see the tricks. We did not put limits to how far we could go. We went the extra mile to reveal all the secrets. This is why you need to watch it. 13 episodes, 2 hours, 16 minutes, 13 episodes. We are dropping them for you to watch and learn. Then you will not ask, why did I decide to do this? Why didn't I do Bola Beku's film? Why didn't I do Blue film? No, that is not my calling. When I decided to teach Bola and Bekus, it was strictly based on the fact that I wanted to see how I could be a plus to marriages, to help husband and wife bond better through intimacy and make marriage work, to fulfill the commandment that says, thou shalt not commit adultery, which is in Exodus chapter 20, verse 14. To fulfill that, I needed to give information that will guarantee satisfaction to lead to the fulfillment of the commandment. But now, take note. There are false prophets out there. These people are antichrist, but they are the head of the ministries they started. And people are going there thinking it's a regular church. We have exposed them in this movie, all their tricks, so that you can easily identify them. Remember, the Bible said that people perish due to lack of knowledge. We decided to bring the light of knowledge to you so that you will wash away the darkness of ignorance so you can know the tricks of these evil people. I told God when I wanted to start social media 2 years ago that if you can help me grow and go viral, I will use my platform to glorify you and serve you. God has done his part. This is me fulfilling my own part of the agreement. Now, I have decided to make movies that will expose the kingdom of darkness and give glory to God and make people know how to follow Christ, not to follow Antichrist that is posing as a false prophet. Please and please watch this movie. It's dropping on the 7th of September, 2024. This is not your regular kind of movie. In case you see people doing strange things in the movie, just know that some false prophets do worse things. People have gone through a lot. So please watch this movie, The Dark Minister. Dark Minister. You just go straight to YouTube. It's only on YouTube. You can't see it anywhere else. It's only on YouTube from on the 7th of September. Make sure you watch it and you will never regret watching it because you will be like, are you serious? So this is my own way of winning souls and making people to be on the right path where they will not make mistake and be led astray by false prophets. Remember, there are wolves in sheep clothing. They are out there. So you need to know their tricks so you know how to avoid them. It's not everywhere they go worship God, though. It's not everywhere they go ask for miracle. Don't say, we not tell you, watch Dark Minister from on the 7th of September. Just type Dark Minister on YouTube. You will see all the episodes, 13 episodes. Now, also make sure you can check Coach Harrison Tito on YouTube. You will see Dark Minister movie. Watch it or share it with people. Don't be gullible. They are out there to do evil. Be wise. Subscribe and click notification button now so that once it drops, you'll be the first to see it, watch and learn. Because the kind of things we'll put for that movie, we don't know whether YouTube will allow us to run now. Crazy things happen in the movie. And we not prevent, say we will not go reveal them. We make sure, say, we reveal everything. Watch am more, click subscription button and notification button so that you not go miss them. I appreciate all of you. Please, it is time for us to do God's work with our talent. And this is why I'm doing mine.